base. We can see here on the home page, which is restaurant.php, all of the orders that have been placed on specific dates and the number of orders placed on those dates for all of the essentially random data included. Most of them only have one, but this is sorted by first the number of orders placed on a given date, and then second by the recency of that date. So say there's a bunch of dates where only one order was placed, it would be more useful for the business owners or staff checking in to be able to see the more recent orders with that number rather than older orders. So if we take our 1958 May 4th and then we go to find orders, we know there are 5 orders, but we want to know what the customers ordered. Maybe we want to know who bought them. Don't know why this isn't going in properly. 1958. Okay, just something wrong with my keyboard. Okay, we can search by that date. We see 5 orders as was shown on the home page, and we can see the order items, the driver's first and last name, the price and tip, and the customer's first and last name. Now, in the Find Orders section, we can go by any combination of these 3, but just for simplicity, I'll only demonstrate the individuals. If you want to check the source code, you can confirm. If we go paul@gmail.com, we can see that this guy, Paul, has ordered twice with 2 different drivers. And then if we go back, we can also search by restaurant. So say Cam's, for example. There's a lot of orders from Cam's. We can see all of the different items ordered. So for example, Patrick Jackson ordered extra maple syrup, hash brown, and pancakes. If we go to show schedules, we can look at any of the employees, and we can see the shifts that they've worked, which are all-time shifts, and the column separates by week. So while the project specification only wants to show weekly schedules, it would be more useful to have all historic schedule information. So if we have an employee that's been working for a long time or has worked many shifts, we can see all the different shifts that they've worked over time in case there's some sort of billing error. Now, we can also show weekends optionally, which includes just days that they've worked on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. And that concludes the scheduling functionality. The main functionality, however, is adding customers. So let's add hypothetical person, John Wick. And we'll make him John Wick at Hotmail. His phone number is a Kingston number because he's a cool dude. Let's make his Street 99 University, totally arbitrary address. He'll be from Kingston, and we'll give him the Queens postal code. I've added the additional functionality of having the ability to adjust credit. So say John Wick created his account and he had a $5 gift card. Now he has a credit value of 10. We can also see here all of the customers and all of their relevant information. This is both functional for understanding how many customers there are and having access to this information quickly, but it's also going to be helpful for demonstrating that this Add Customer button works successfully, as Stephen Colbert has confirmed. Now, if we refresh, we can see this time this customer was already in the database, so it didn't add them again. It correctly checked. Now, if we go back to Add Customer, we can go to, this list is sorted alphabetically by last name. So we can go to John Wick, and we can see that he was successfully added with a credit value of 10, and all of the information was added successfully. This concludes the functionality for the restaurant database. Thank you.